How do you feel?
I think sports tourism is something in the mainstay. Goa has always been looked upon for the sun, sand and sea. So when the whole thought of from 2022, along with our Dr. Pramod Sawant, Chief Minister, I spoke to him about talking about Goa Beyond Beaches, and he was also on the same page. I think Goa Beyond Beaches allowed us to explore much more. Sports tourism, cultural tourism, software tourism, spiritual tourism. And when it comes to sports tourism, I think Ironman 70.3 was one of the mainstays which we made with a mark of Ironman Goa 70.3. I think it's the fifth year in back-to-back, the fifth year coming in. And it's a wonderful thing to see almost about 30 plus countries coming to the state of Goa for this wonderful event. It's a testament of endurance and the level of fitness that somebody can carry. Our Prime Minister talks about Fit India, and that allows us, all of us, to get into that grouping. The day has been great for all of us, with people coming in from every part of the country and every part of the world to come here for this event, having swimming, running, cycling, and covering that whole thing. I think itself is a testament of somebody's fitness. It gives and encourages many more, it motivates and does inspire many more. I should congratulate the whole team of Ironman 70.3, Neil, Raj and the whole team who have been absolutely putting their efforts to ensure that this goes smooth. We have been collaborating as Goa Tourism along with them for the last number of years, so that we are able to work together and collaborate. I strongly feel collaboration is the key to success. Government can just be a facilitator, and that's the work we are doing. I convey my best wishes to all the participants who have come from the various parts of the world and the state, country. I do wish that they explore the state of Goa also in the best form, not only by the seas but away from the seas. And as usual, congratulate the whole Ironman 70.3. Keep it going. We are with you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.